One of them is a math instructor, civil engineer, aerospace engineer. One of them is a farmer. We've got a gemologist. Oh, that's cool. Now, one of the things you'll notice right now is they have out their leg banners. This is something I find completely unique. You don't see it at every air show. The leg banners are 600 square feet. They're made of the same nylon material that the parachutes are made out of. And of course, the banners represent the team colors, hot pink and navy blue.
You really like hot pink.
I really do. The hot pink though, I don't know about all of you, but it pops, especially in a beautiful blue sky. Over the country, they're coming from Pennsylvania, Arizona, Illinois, and South Carolina, all to be here at the Oregon International Air Show. You will see the skydivers as they come down to their drop zone, straight in front of the crowd, in front of the announcer stand. You will see them. They will also come over, sign autographs, take pictures, and spend time with you. So if you see them walking around, please be sure to stop and chat with them. And dear, I don't know about you, but I've had the chance to skydive. There they are, there's the wave. I had a chance to skydive a few times, and it's incredible. It's a thrill when you're doing your free fall, but it's absolutely so peaceful when you're under canopy.
Now, I've jumped out of an airplane 3 times. Do you think they would let me be a part of the team?
I don't know, there's a thumbs up from our Misty Blues. You might have some recruits up here ready to jump with you.
I've got 3 jumps and a lot of heart, ladies.
All right, they are getting closer to the crowd. I need you to get up out of your chairs, get energized, be nice and loud as we welcome our team, the Misty Blues, back to the ground.
I love the kick they do right before they get there. They're like, look at us, we're having so much fun.
And look at that, standing up 1, 2 feet, beautiful landing. That is not easy to do. When you have to hit your flare at the end and stay standing, I've never been able to do that yet.
Yeah, no, I broke my ankle doing that.
They're professionals. They are professionals.
It was worth it. It was worth it.
All right, Hillsboro, warm up. Welcome back. Our final skydiver from the Misty Blues. Nice and loud. Let's hear you. And look at that, so graceful, a perfectly executed landing. Amazing job, and once again, you will hear and see